Wildcat by Sejal Mehta and illustrated by Rohan Chakravarty. Some wild cats have stripes like the tiger. Some wild cats have manes like the lion. Some wild cats have spots like the leopard and the leopard cat. Some wild cats are the best climbers, like the clouded leopard and the marbled cat. Some wild cats live high up in the mountains, like the snow leopard and the palace cat. Some wild cats live in the desert, like the desert cat. Some wild cats have hairy ears, like the caracal and the lynx. Some wild cats love to fish, like the fishing cat. Some wild cats are the smallest wild cats in the world, like the rusty spotted cat. Some wild cats look like house cats, like the jungle cat and the golden cat. But they are all wild cats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.